Hey everyone, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now you guys have already read the title. Today we're checking out a amazing, super minimal, dark Nova Launcher home screen setup. Now this is the new setup that I'm rocking on my OnePlus 8. So hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, without any further ado, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so first things first, we'll be obviously talking about the launcher that I'm using. Now as always, your boy always uses Nova Launcher Prime. So we are using Nova Launcher Prime, and as far as the wallpaper is concerned, before that let's talk about the Nova backup file. So you guys know, if you guys watch these videos, that you'll find the Nova backup in the link in the description below. All you have to do is go to your Nova settings. Once you install it, go to backup and import settings and import the downloaded file that you download from this video. What this will do is let you have the exact same home screen settings, including the grid lines, the app drawer, the transitions, so that your phone looks exactly like mine. Now once you're done with that, let's move on to the next step. Now for today's video and setup, we are using Shadow for KWGT. Now Shadow for KWGT is a free KWGT pack, but it does require KWGT Pro. If you guys already have it, well and fine, but just keep that in mind in case you guys want to try it out in the free version. Now once you open up Shadow for KWGT, the wallpaper is called 006. It's this really nice wallpaper which has a black background and a couple of material lines along with this really nice green buggy or Hummer sort of a car. Looks really good, gives a little bit more personality than just a plain black background, which is why I went for this. Once you have applied this, let's talk about the widgets. Now the first widget on the home screen is this one right here. It shows you the date and time as well as your battery and a weather info in the last section. It's really good. It says it's Saturday afternoon, have a good day. I feel like it really complements the entire wallpaper and takes good use of the space that it has on the top, the black area of the wallpaper. Now if you want to set this, simply import a 4x2 KWGT widget. This widget is called Shadow 62. Now once you're done with that, that's it. The first home screen is done. Moving on to the second page, we've got two widgets here again from Shadow for KWGT. So Shadow for KWGT is basically the backbone of this setup. The next one has the date as well as the time, again the battery, a couple of little shortcuts for your messages and your dialer, and as well as a Google Assistant over here. So you can click on it and directly go to Google. Now this one is called, again from Shadow for KWGT, it's the widget number 95. You can set it. And last but not the least, we have this really cute music widget, because a lot of you guys really want music widgets on your home screen, and I feel like this really complements the setup. It's got a visualizer which has neon green colors in it, and it shows you the name of the song as well as the play and pause button. The visualizer works in real time, and once again this is the Shadow number 74 if you want to set the widget. And once you've set these three widgets along with this wallpaper with the backup file, there you have it, a super clean, minimal Nova Launcher setup that I feel like will really spice up the way your Android home screen looks, in case you just want to make your phone more interesting and customize it to your heart's content. With that said guys, this is Anubhav signing out. Hopefully you guys like the setup. As you guys can see, we are in a new studio space. A lot of new videos will be planned. Let me know if you guys like this video in the comments down below. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Peace out.